Hey everyone, Alex from O'Brien here. We often get questions about the process for making surgical guides, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the steps for making a guide that is tooth-supported. Tooth-supported guides can be used to plan either a single implant or multiple implants as long as there are enough teeth in the arch to support the guide. The first thing we need to get started is a model of the arch that we'll be doing the planning for. You can send us either a traditional or digital impression or an already poured up model. It's always helpful to have the opposing arch as well, but it's not typically necessary. Next, we'll need a CBCT scan of the patient. This can either be a full head scan or one with a reduced field of view. Keep in mind though that if the field of view is too small, it may create problems when trying to match up the model to the CT scan. When taking the CBCT, we also recommend that the bite is slightly open as it can increase the accuracy of the guide. The CBCT files can be sent to us through our upload portal at the link provided on this page, or you can send them on physical storage such as flash drive or DVD. Third, we need a prescription from you that lets us know which positions the implants will be placed, as well as your preferred implant brand. Once we have everything, our first step is to import the models and scan files into our planning software. Using the software, we indicate identical landmarks on both the model and the CBCT scan, which the software will use to align them to each other. After the alignment is complete, we'll set the panoramic curve. Setting this curve creates a path that the system will use when moving through the slices of the image. Next, if we're working with the mandibular arch, we'll locate the mental foramen and map the inferior alveolar nerve. We map the nerve by moving through slices of the data until the canal is revealed, and then we place points along the nerve path as we continue to move through the slices. After the nerve has been completely mapped, it'll show up in the 3D rendering of the data. At this point, we're ready to start the preliminary planning. We'll begin with the implant brand that you specified, and we'll choose a diameter and length that appears to best fit the space. If we see any issues such as inadequate bone or limited space, we'll create a comment which will be included in the preliminary surgical report. When we're finished with that preliminary plan, we'll contact you to let you know the case is ready for you to do the final planning. We'll set up a time for you to log in and remotely control the design software, which will allow you to adjust the placement of the implant as well as make any desired changes to the implant diameter and length. Once you have completed the implant planning, we'll send you a final surgical report, which you will need to sign and return to us. At this point, the acrylic guide will be printed, the master sleeves will be added, and the case will be delivered to your office. I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, feel free to contact us with any questions. See you next time.